Olivia from Hopeful Honey here. Today we're learning how to crochet the magic circle, also commonly known as the magic loop. To begin, you'll need a crochet hook and some yarn. Let's get started, shall we? So taking the loose end of your yarn, you'll want to place it over your fingers, making sure that it is at the top of your hand, not the back. Then taking your working end of yarn, wrap it around your index finger and your middle finger. Then wrap it around the front of your fingers in an X pattern. So can you see the X design? Then taking that same working strand, wrap it around behind your fingers and pinch it in between your ring finger and your pinky finger. Now take your crochet hook and turn your work the other way and insert your crochet hook under that first loop. Then hook around that second loop, and as you pull it out underneath that first loop, twist it in your direction. So that's one loop on your hook. Then you'll want to yarn over with your working strand of yarn and pull it through that loop on your hook. There you go. Now gently take that circle off your fingers. Perfect, you've just created your magic circle. So to work into your magic circle, you need to chain your desired length for the stitches you'll be working with. I'm going to be chaining 2 as I'm crocheting using double crochets, also commonly known as the UK treble crochet. So I've just chained 2, now I'm going to be crocheting 11 double crochets or UK treble crochets into that magic circle. Once you complete a desired amount of crochet stitches, take the loose end of your yarn and pull it as tight as you can, cinching in that circle. Then slip stitch in your first stitch. There you go, that's the magic circle technique. The magic circle, or loop as it's commonly known, is used when crocheting in the round. As a big advantage to starting any crochet project using this technique is that it leaves no hole in the center of your work once it's tightened. This very reason is why it's ideal to use when crocheting beanies, granny squares, and a variety of other projects.